That's the Nagasandra metro station. You can come by metro and the green line. There is a connection with the metro to the IKEA store. Hello friends, today you can understand we are at IKEA Bangalore. It is really humongous. Once you come here, you get lost sort of. Their things are so well displayed, beautifully done up. We've just entered. IKEA is a Swedish company that is in India. They have, I think, 3 branches: Bombay, Hyderabad, Bangalore. The Bangalore one is the biggest, and they make very aesthetic furniture and they display it very well. They have all models done up, different rooms and how it's going to look. They give you a minimalistic look that it's fantastic. The way they've displayed it, you get an idea for your room or your house. So this is the place where you should be if you have shifted your house, bought a new house. They have beautiful room setups, very aesthetically done. Tiffin box for kids, kids section. IKEA food court. It's a huge 1,000-seater food court. The food we ordered was good. They were all good and moderately priced. So this is a good option. Furnishing section. The light section. We reached here at 11 and it's nearly 3:30. We still haven't finished. You have so much to see and so much to pick up. Just to give you a feel of how huge and humongous IKEA is. Bye friends, and do subscribe to our channel.